Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a very lightweight summer cowl to dress up a t-shirt or a tank top. So let's get started. Today I'm working with Bernat Premium yarn and a 15mm crochet hook, which is a Q. Start with a slip knot. I'm going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 7. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each stitch across the row. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you'll work in 6 stitches across the row. Now chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the second stitch. This chain 1 takes the place of the first stitch, so work into the second stitch and single crochet in each stitch across the row, and you'll be working into 5 stitches for each row. And the last stitch will always be that turning chain. Now for every row it will work exactly the same. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each stitch across the row. And the last stitch is in that turning chain. And you will keep doing that until you have worked approximately 28 rows, so it'll be 14 inches when folded. Now when you've worked the correct number of rows, fold the work in half and bring both ends together, and then slip stitch to join. So to slip stitch, you pass through one side, pass through the other side, and then pull the yarn through both stitches. And you can just weave those yarn ends back into the finished work. And that's it. You'll have a lovely little lightweight cowl that you can wear just to dress up a plain t-shirt or a tank top. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.